Hey everyone, so we're back for part two. We have the Cornish hens marinated, we've got the grill going, we're gonna go ahead and throw them on. I've got Maggie keeping me company. Right, Mags? All right, so these were in the refrigerator for probably about an hour and a half. We're gonna put them skin down. Beautiful. It smells great. All right, we're gonna close it up and we're gonna come back. Maggie says hi. She's waiting for pieces of meat to fall on the floor, right? All right, let's see how our chickens are doing. All right, it's been about 4 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and flip them. Beautiful. All right, we'll close that up. We'll give them another 4 to 6 minutes. Just checking in on them. It's been about 4 minutes. I think they need a little bit longer. I threw a couple of filet mignons on here as well. Nothing special on those, just a little bit of salt and pepper. That's all it needs. Man, those look great. By the way, shout out to Hoboken Brewing. Got their Even Flow Citrus Pale Ale. Great stuff. I'm going to tag them in our description or the comments. Check them out. They've got some really, really great beers, local New Jersey. Have a look when you get a chance. Here's to you guys. All right, let's check on our chicken. Perfect. Fillet is about a medium, nice and soft. There we go. All right, I made a plate of yellow rice. Our chicken is done, so are the filet mignons. Just go ahead and plate these guys up. And we'll slice the steaks up.